This video is brought to you by Ibda Bank. Ireland is the birthplace of aircraft leasing. Guinness Peak Aviation pioneered the first aircraft lease. After its takeover by GE Capital Aviation Services, the aircraft finance business grew phenomenally. It wasn't until 2005, when Emirates pioneered the Islamic capital market, that Islamic solutions were looked at to support the development of aviation companies. Since then, Sharia-compliant solutions have been embraced, igniting discussion that Sharia-based deals may be a rising new trend in the global aviation finance market. There are a number of Islamic financing instruments that can be employed to finance aircraft. However, Ijara, the equivalent to a conventional lease agreement, is a popular choice. In an Ijara contract, the asset has to be of valuable use, and all risk of ownership is borne by the lessor, while all liabilities arising from the asset's use is borne by the lessee. How does it work? Airline approaches Palmer Ibda with a request for lease. At the same time, the lessor purchases the aircraft from the manufacturer, and legal ownership is transferred to the lessor. Assets are then transferred to the airline, which pays rent. At the end of the lease, the aircraft title of ownership is either transferred back to the lessor, or the airline purchases the aircraft. Today, market activity in the Sharia-compliant aviation sector remains concentrated in the Middle East and Malaysia. However, Islamic finance is now being considered as the basis of a number of new products, and more collaboration between the aviation and Islamic finance industries is on the horizon. Ibda Bank. Investment ingenuity.